They say money never disappears. But last year, something happened that shouldn't be possible. Entire digital balances vanished from thousands of accounts across 3 countries. No hacks, no breaches, no alerts, just silence. And within 48 hours, everything returned, except for one account. One account stayed empty. This is the story of the balance that never came back, and the secret it revealed. It began with an ordinary man named Daniel Kress, a school teacher with a small savings account. Nothing special. When the global ledger blackout event hit, millions saw temporary errors. Out. But Daniel's account didn't just glitch, his entire history was erased. Every deposit, every statement, every tax record, gone. As if the money had never existed. His bank insisted the account number was invalid. His tax office said no financial record matched his identity. Even the digital receipts on his phone wouldn't open. Somebody or something had wiped him out of the financial system. Daniel wasn't wealthy. He wasn't political. He wasn't involved in anything risky. So why him? When he searched deeper, he discovered one clue. Just 3 months earlier, he had downloaded a free budgeting app called CoinPilot, a harmless tool. Over 30 million users, but hidden inside its code was a feature he never activated, a feature that tracked his transactions before they reached the bank. CoinPilot wasn't a budgeting app. It was a private data collector for a shadow firm studying global spending patterns. And Daniel wasn't erased randomly. He triggered something. A retired banker who studied the glitch told him the truth. Daniel's financial identity overlapped with a phantom profile, an unregistered shadow account used to store off-book money transfers when the blackout hit. The system tried to correct corrupted data, and it chose the phantom account over the real person. For the machine, the ghost was more valid than Daniel. In other words, the system replaced him. Daniel fought for months to restore his identity. He contacted lawyers, regulators, digital security experts. Some believed him. Most didn't. How do you prove you lost something that the system says never existed? In the end, he rebuilt his financial life from nothing: new bank, new records, new digital identity. But the original account, the original balance, it never returned. And the phantom, still active, still receiving hidden transfers, still more real to the system than the man it replaced. Here's the part that should scare you. Daniel wasn't the only one. 24 other people reported identical account erasures after using the same app. Different countries, different banks, same pattern. Same phantom profiles behind each disappearance. Officially, the glitch was resolved. Unofficially, nobody ever found who created the phantom accounts or where the money flowing into them comes from. If you're still watching, remember this. 1. Every digital transaction creates a shadow version of you. 2. Sometimes the system trusts the shadow more than the human. 3. And one day you might discover your money didn't disappear. You were replaced. If this story shook you even a little, subscribe to Deep Finance Realm, because the hidden side of money is much bigger, darker, and closer than anyone wants to admit.